Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we'll be drawing Nidoking from Pokemon. Grab your drawing supplies to get started. We're going to start in the middle of the page and draw a line to the top right to get started on the eye. Once you're done with that line, we're just going to draw a line on the right down and then complete the eye with a line across to make a triangle. With your eye done, let's draw in the iris. It's going to be two lines on either side. And a circle in the middle for the highlight. With that done, let's fill it in with black. Now with the eye done, let's draw in one of the ears. We're going to go above the eye on the top of the page and go up. At that point, go to the right and notch down. Once you're done with that notch, we're going to go to the right and then curve and then a little notch. Starting from a similar point from the beginning, we're going to do a dome shape. And then continue the dome shape all the way down. And finally connect to the end. Let's repeat that shape on the inside. Until we connect to the end. With that ear done, let's draw in the shape of the face and then the horn. Let's go to the bottom right of the ear and go out. And you want to do a line in. We're going to go back out and back in. It's looking good. Now let's draw in the chin. It's just going to be a line that swoops up. That's looking good. Let's draw in the top lips. Let's start up below the eye right here and then connect to the point we had earlier. And go out just a little bit more, like so. And then from that point, let's just draw in the front of the face. And then let's do a little eyebrow on the left over here. And we want to stop right there because we're going to start on the horn. For the horn, start in the middle of the head and go back out. Stop around here. We're going to go follow that back in. And then continue behind the head in the middle of the horn. We're going to do the rest of the head. It's just going to be a curved line. And for the second horn, similar thing. In the middle of the head. Up. Stop around here. And go back in. And finally, the final line to complete the head. With the head mostly done, let's draw in the other ear. We want to curve up. Connect to the top. And we're going to do a V shape up here. Let's go back down. And similar to the other side, we need a little dome shape. Start from the middle of the horn and go up. And then curve and go back down. And now let's fill in the inside of the ear with a similar shape, following the inside. Once we're done with the head, let's draw in the eyebrows. It's just going to be bottom left and go up. Let's do the nose, which is 2 notches. Once you're done with that, let's go over to the mouth. Let's follow the bottom curve up here to this point. And we need 3 triangle teeth. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and for the third one, make it much bigger and taller. And finally, for the final detail, we just need a little notch for the rest of the jaw. This is going to be a little mountain shape, going up and back down. With the head complete, let's move over to the body. On the left of the lip, start right here, and let's do the belly. It's just going to be a curve down. And stop around this point. Once you're done with that, let's draw in the leg. It's just going to be a dome shape. And then you want to continue the dome all the way down. And then do the same line on the other side to match the distance. And let's go taper in. And then leave a little space. We're going to draw in the toe. Just going to go do a mountain shape. And then draw a line on the bottom. And then draw in the rest of the toe. Let's go. On the other side, let's draw in a dome. A little mountain shape. Draw the bottom line across. And connect to the body. Now we just want to draw in the toe. And that's looking good. Let's add into the kneecaps on both sides before we move on. This can be a line across and a line up for this detail. Over here, we want to draw a line for the middle right here. And we're going to do this interesting honeycomb shape. Start from the bottom left, go up, over, and down, and back out. And we're going to repeat that same shape on the bottom. Once you're done with that, we're going to move over to the arms before we draw the rest of the body. Let's go over to this corner over here where the head is and draw a little bit of a half circle. We're going to stop right here because we're going to do a mountain shape and go back out, and this is going to be the shoulder. Now we're going to draw two parallel lines for the arm. I'm going to stop right here because we're going to draw in the forearm now. This is going to be a round shape. Go back down. Stop around this point because we're going to draw in our first finger. And it's going to be similar to the tooth. Triangle shape. And then continue the line to draw the rest of the forearm. For the thumb, it's just going to be a little triangle. And a little two notches. And the final finger is going to be behind the other arm. With that arm done, let's draw on the other side. Starting from the middle of the head, go out. Let's do a little bit of a triangle. Continue back down all the way around. And let's do two more triangles. One, and the final triangle. For the body, let's go over the shoulder again. And we're going to go down. And then let's draw in some body details. It's just going to be a line right here. And then we're going to draw in a curve from this point to the belly. And this is going to be the final panel line, and we're going to go back out. From the bottom, from the toes, we're going to go up for the tail. And go back in to connect to the arm. And let's draw in two spikes from the back for the spine. It's going to start from the arm and go back in. Start from the shoulder and go back in. And then a little bit of notch for the back of the body. Like so. And finally, we just need some line details for the tail. We're just going to fill in the back over here. And there you have it, your Nidoking drawing. Now let's add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.